Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Greenscreen in the Capcut app, and I'm also going to share some insights about in general about green screens and about setting up a green screen. But if you are only interested in the technicalities of Capcut and how to apply the green screen effect in the application, feel free to jump ahead in the video and check out that part. But if you also want to learn a little bit more about green screens and how to record a green screen video, then you should definitely listen to the first part as well. But first of all, before we begin, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, let's start about the definition of green screen or chroma keying and how does it work. So chroma key compositioning or chroma keying is a visual effect and a post-production technique for compositing two images or video streams together based on color hues. A color range in the background footage is made transparent, allowing separately filmed background footages or a static image to be inserted into the scene. Chroma keying can be done with backgrounds of any color that are uniform and distinct, but green and blue backgrounds are more commonly used because they differ from distinct in hue from any human skin colors. So, lighting your green screen properly is the key to easy keying. Shooting on a green screen can save you time and resources, but it only creates more work if it's done incorrectly. First, make sure your green screen is as flat and smooth as possible. Then, concentrate on lighting your green screen throughout. First, light your screen, then your subject. The biggest mistake you can make with green screen work is lighting the screen and the subject as one. Preparing your subject for green screen. Knowing what type of footage you will be using for your new background will tell you how best to light the objects or people in front of your green screen. Videographer Gary Holtz says, "What kills a green screen composition is if there's sunlight from the left in the background shoot and you lit them from the other side. There is no way to make those two things look right." Remember, if it's green, it's going to go away. If someone shows up in a green tie, the chroma key tool is going to, in the video editing software, will blast a hole through their chest. Look out for colors that have just a hint of green too. So let's jump into it and let's see if we also already have a green screen recording, how to use it in Capcut. So let's open the Capcut app. Let's create a new project. Let's orient it correctly. Let's add a background video that we want to use. Let's see this beautiful time lapse of a flower opening. Yeah, looks beautiful. And let's see what happens when we want to add a green screen effect, an overlay before our video. So I will show you with two different types of green screen. I'm going to show you with a person recorded before a green screen and with some animations. So we are going to add an overlay, which is going to be this video recorded. We can change the size to make it like bigger, and then on the toolbar on the bottom you have to find the chroma key option, which is here. This is the icon and it says chroma key, and when you tap on it here with this little arrow, as you can see, you can choose a color from your screen. Now here obviously you want to choose the green color because we want to remove it, but as I mentioned before, you can use green screen effect for any colors really. The green and the blue colors are only because they are easier to pick up, but if you have an object before a black background, you can use that as well. So when you have chosen your color, you just have to tap on intensity, and you have to choose the intensity that you want to remove. As you can see, if it's on 0, it doesn't remove anything, and if it's at 100, it removes even too much. This means that this recording, this green screen recording, is not 100% correct, because it has some green effects on the object as well. As you can see, if I go to 100%, it still has holes. So let's place it around here, where we don't have any more green background, but we still have removed the green screen. So let's start. I'm going to mute this video, and let's see how it looks. As you can see, the background is removed, and now this girl is talking about the flower in the background, which looks beautiful. So yeah, this is not a perfectly shooted green screen video, but it's a nice example. Now let's add few effects to our video. Let's choose this one, subscribe effect, and let's do the same thing. Go back to the chroma key, choose the green color, go to intensity, and here I think we can go up to 50%. Let's tap on OK, and when we play it, it plays beautifully, and it says subscribe, so you should think about it as well. And thank you if you do subscribe to my channel. So this is pretty much it, how you can use the green screen effect. Obviously from here you can move around your objects beautifully, and your green screen is pretty much done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to check the links in the description, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. At the moment when I was editing this video, we've just passed 1,500 subscribers, which is a very big thing for us. So I just wanted to thank you all for listening and watching our videos. We really hope that our videos can help you with these different problems that we are trying to solve. And yeah, we just wanted to thank you. 1,500 subscribers. We are almost at the 4,000 watch hours mark as well. So if everything goes well, our channel is going to be monetized in a few days. So thank you all for all this support, your nice comments, and thank you for the critical comments as well, because that makes us grow. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.